One estimate puts the number of languages in active use in the world today somewhere between 3 and 4,000. Another makes it 5,000 or more. The latter is probably closer to the truth, for many languages are spoken by relatively few people, several in one small area of New Guinea, for instance, have fewer than 100 speakers each. The number of different languages is formidable and is quite awesome if we include the tongues once spoken but now dead. All languages use the same channel for sending and receiving, the vibrations of the atmosphere. All set the vibrations going in the same way, by the activity of the speech organs, and all organize the vibrations in essentially the same way, into small units of sound that can be combined and recombined in distinctive ways. Languages can be related in three ways: genetically, culturally, and typologically. A genetic relationship is one between mother and daughter, or between two sisters or two cousins. There is a common ancestor somewhere in the family line. A cultural relationship arises from contacts in the real world at a given time. Enough speakers command a second language to adopt some of its features, most often just terms of cultural artifacts, but sometimes other features as well. A typological relationship is one of resemblances regardless of where they came from. English is related genetically to Dutch through the common ancestry of Germanic and Indo-European. It is related culturally to North American Indian languages, from which it has taken many place names. And it is related typologically to Chinese, which it resembles more than it resembles its own cousin Latin in the comparative lack of inflection on words. Though genetic and cultural relationships tend to spell typological ones, it often happens that languages of the same family diverge so radically in the course of time that only the most careful analysis will demonstrate their kinship. The opposite happens too. Languages unrelated genetically may converge to a high degree of similarity.